The truth is, most heart attacks don't start in the heart, they start in the kitchen. The everyday meals we've come to trust are quietly cutting off our blood flow, one bite at a time. But hidden among the chaos of ultra-processed junk are 3 simple meals. Meals that don't just taste good, they actually clean out your arteries. They reduce plaque. They lower blood pressure. They've even been whispered about in cardiology circles. You didn't hear that from me. Number 1. The meal doctors don't want you to enjoy. Let's start with a dish so deceptively clean, it almost feels illegal to enjoy. Wild-caught salmon and arugula, simple ingredients, but together, they become a biochemical force that can help reverse years of artery damage. The magic begins with the salmon. Not just any kind, wild-caught only. Pan-seared in cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil, this fish is loaded with EPA, a rare omega-3 fatty acid that directly reduces inflammation in your arteries. Think of EPA like a natural lubricant, making your blood less sticky, less clotted, and easier to flow. It's not a trend, it's molecular armor. Then you lay that fillet over a bed of fresh arugula. Not iceberg, not romaine. Arugula. Why? Because it's a nitrate powerhouse. Once digested, those nitrates turn into nitric oxide, a gas that relaxes and dilates your blood vessels. That's right, this salad literally helps open up your arteries. Add in slices of avocado for a potassium boost that keeps your blood pressure in check and your artery walls elastic. The real kicker is the dressing. A mix of lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, and olive oil. It balances blood sugar, boosts collagen in the arteries, and kills off harmful bacteria linked to plaque buildup. Sprinkle parsley on top for apigenin, a compound so potent, it's being studied for anti-inflammatory therapies. And that's just meal 1. Things are only getting started. Number 2, the controversial beef bowl that protects your heart. Red meat? In a heart-healthy meal? That's exactly why this one turns heads and shakes up outdated beliefs. The truth is, when you choose the right kind of beef, you're not harming your heart. You're feeding it. Thinly sliced, grass-fed beef seared gently in olive oil or beef tallow becomes the star of this controversial, yet powerful artery-cleaning dish. Here's the secret. Grass-fed beef is naturally higher in CoQ10, a molecule your heart uses like rocket fuel. Without enough CoQ10, your heart cells get tired, weak, vulnerable. But that's just the beginning. Grass-fed beef is also one of the rare sources of vitamin K2, a nutrient so vital, it literally tells calcium where to go. Into your bones, not into your arteries. While your beef rests, enter sauerkraut. But not the stuff you dump from a can, unpasteurized sauerkraut. This fermented cabbage is alive with probiotics and vitamin C, a combo that heals the gut and lowers inflammation in your artery walls at the same time. And then, brace yourself, we add brie cheese. Yes, cheese. Full of more K2 and shockingly capable of increasing HDL. The good cholesterol that sweeps plaque right out of your system. Top it all off with a drizzle of Dijon mustard for artery-shielding polyphenol. And now you've got a dish that feels criminal to eat, yet might be saving your life. And if you think that was bold, wait until you see what garlic can really do. Number 3. The garlic-loaded chicken that lowers blood pressure. It sounds too basic to be powerful. Chicken, mushrooms, garlic. But don't let the simplicity fool you. This is a pharmaceutical-grade meal disguised as dinner. Start with chicken thighs. Why thighs? Because they carry a richer nutritional profile than lean breast meat, including higher levels of selenium and vitamin B12, 2 compounds essential for cellular energy production and the repair of artery linings. Your heart doesn't just beat, it works. Constantly. And these nutrients keep it fueled. Then comes the real star, garlic. You'll want at least 3 fresh cloves. None of that powdered nonsense. Chop it, saute it, smell it. That potent aroma? It's allicin, a compound that boosts nitric oxide production and relaxes blood vessels like a natural blood pressure pill. Now add mushrooms, cremini, shiitake, or any variety you prefer. They're not just filler, they're loaded with beta-glucans, potassium, and microdoses of vitamin D. These regulate cholesterol, reduce inflammation, and support vascular resilience. Then the final blow, crushed pumpkin seeds sprinkled on top. They're magnesium-rich, which calms cortisol spikes and helps arteries stay soft and pliable. They also contain zinc, a silent warrior against chronic inflammation. And for a finishing move, serve it with lightly steamed broccoli, cauliflower, or carrots. Cruciferous veggies activate detox pathways, most people have never even heard of. This isn't just a meal. It's a vascular intervention with a side of garlic. But even this won't work if you're missing one nutrient almost everyone is deficient in. Number 4, the forgotten nutrient almost everyone lacks. You could be eating all the right foods, exercising daily, sleeping well, and still, your arteries could be quietly hardening. The reason? A silent deficiency that's haunting nearly every modern lifestyle, vitamin D3. It's not just a bone vitamin, it's a biological command center. Without it, the enzymes that regulate your blood pressure and control inflammation go offline. Your cardiovascular system becomes reactive, fragile, vulnerable. And here's the kicker. Food alone won't fix this. Not even your healthiest meals come close to delivering what your body really needs. The most potent source? Sunlight. Just 20 minutes a day of unfiltered sunlight on your skin. No sunscreen, no window in the way. Can flood your body with up to 10,000 IUs of natural vitamin D3. That's 250 micrograms of arterial protection, straight from nature. In the winter, or if you work indoors, your levels plummet. And low D3 doesn't just raise your risk for heart disease. It thickens the blood, elevates cortisol, weakens your immune defenses. Your arteries don't just clog, they lose their ability to adapt and repair. The fix is simple. A high-quality vitamin D3 supplement taken with a fatty meal, or better yet, get outside. This is nature's free medicine, hidden in plain sight. But even the sun can't save you, if your body is locked in a state of constant stress. Number 5, the silent killer no one talks about. Forget cholesterol for a moment. There's a far more dangerous villain silently wrecking your arteries from the inside out. And most people don't even know they're suffering from it. It's not in your food. It's not in your genes. It's in your mind. Its name, cortisol, also known as the stress hormone. But don't let that name fool you. This isn't just about feeling tense. This hormone has the power to stiffen your arteries, spike your blood pressure, and turn your blood into a slow-moving sludge. When cortisol stays high, your body enters survival mode. Blood vessels constrict. Inflammation runs wild. Your heart is forced to pump harder, faster, and longer, even when you're just sitting still. And here's the real nightmare. It doesn't take a car crash or a breakup to trigger this. Overthinking, skipping sleep, scrolling social media until 2 a.m. That's enough to unleash a flood of cortisol that can damage your arteries for days. The fix isn't just mental, it's biological. Magnesium helps lower cortisol levels and relax your nervous system. Deep breathing retrains your body's response to fear. A consistent sleep schedule becomes as critical as any prescription. Because once stress becomes chronic, your arteries become a battlefield. But the war's not over yet. There's one more threat you've never seen, but it's already flowing through your veins and thickening your blood. Number 6. What happens when your blood turns to sludge? Most people think clogged arteries are about fat, or sugar, or age. But there's something far more sinister happening right now, something almost no one is talking about: blood viscosity. That's the thickness of your blood. And when it gets too thick, too sticky, or too slow-moving, your arteries don't just clog. They struggle. Your heart has to pump harder just to keep the flow going. Over time, this pressure begins to damage the inner walls of your arteries, triggering the same cycle of plaque, inflammation, and eventual catastrophe. So how does your blood get this way? Simple. Dehydration, refined sugar, processed junk, high triglycerides, stress. It's a perfect storm. When you combine those with sedentary habits and low-quality diets, the fluid that was once your lifeline turns into something heavier, something sluggish. Your platelets start sticking together like glue. Your arteries lose their elasticity. And the blood that's supposed to nourish your heart starts hurting it instead. But here's where it gets interesting. Nature has already provided the antidote. Garlic, especially raw or lightly cooked, contains allicin, a natural compound that prevents platelets from clumping and promotes smoother blood flow. Omega-3 fatty acids from salmon, sardines, or cod liver oil help thin the blood and reduce inflammation. Herbal teas like hibiscus and green tea don't just hydrate, they regulate blood pressure and support arterial flexibility. And the simplest solution of all: water. Plain, unflavored, free water. Most people walk around half-hydrated, wondering why they feel tired, heavy, foggy. Thick blood doesn't just strain your heart, it affects your brain, your energy, your longevity. You don't need your blood to be paper thin. Just smooth, just efficient, just alive. Because when your blood flows right, your body follows. But clogged blood is just a symptom of a system begging for balance. Forget what you thought about heart health. It's not about low fat. It's not about bland food. It's about flow, blood flow, information flow, nutrient flow. And when your arteries are clear, everything else, your energy, your mood, your life, just works. These meals aren't recipes. They're resistance. Eat like you're breaking free from a system that failed us. Because you are.